Hello, people. Today I'm just making an announcement, reminder thing for a competition of mine. The competition is just for making a mystery monster sound on the continent. You know, the one from Dawn of Fire. It's a string instrument. Any. That's something special about it. That does include guitars, including electric guitar. You can basically play anywhere except for part of a 4-minute track. The verse, because I've already made a track for that. That track is the one that's playing right now. Anyway, it's just a quick video to remind you. My post hasn't really gotten much attention. There'll be 4 winners. And all these winners, obviously. If you want a bit more detail, go check out my post on the channel. Anyway, bye. Also, don't be afraid to enter the competition just because you think that you won't win. Because I'm seriously going to look at every single person who competes in the entry. So you have a very high chance of winning, especially if not many people compete. So, even if you think it sounds bad, I'll still be credited. Don't worry, I will credit your sound.